So if you're interested in getting a clear glowing skin, hi guys, hi loves, hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Nini Beauty. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. Don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my honest review about this particular scrub, that is the Carebeau scrub. So if you're interested in getting a clear glowing skin, just keep on watching. So the name of the product I'll be reviewing today is the Carebeau scrub. Okay, I don't know if that's the pronunciation, but this is the scrub right here, is the Carebeau scrub. So this particular scrub is a spa lightening salt. So the exfoliant or the exfoliating particles of the scrub is made of salt, so it's a spa lightening salt. This particular scrub, it comes in different varieties. I'll be showing you guys maybe on the screen somewhere, but the one I'll be reviewing today is the carrot. I don't know, I really like the carrots. Meanwhile, before I get into why I like this particular carrot scrub, this particular scrub is made in Thailand. It's 700 grams in weight. This is what the packaging looks like. It has this cover. So when you take off this cover right here, it's still covered with another lid. This is another cover. Okay, so this is how the scrub looks on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see this consistency. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is how it looks like. The exfoliant of the scrub is made of salt. Okay, so you guys know how salt feels like. So that is what the scrub looks like. It has a runny consistency. Okay, on the body here, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'll read it. So on the body here, it says Carebeau Spa Lightening Salt, Carrots. Salt scrub helps to remove dead skin cells, creates new skin cells with vitamin E, C, and AHA, that is alpha hydroxyl acid. Okay, to make your skin look radiant, scent refreshed throughout the day. To use, this is how to use the scrub. So it says scrub the skin while wet, gently massage into the body, then rinse with clean water. Should use every day. Made in Thailand. So this is what is written on the body of the scrub. So those are the supposed function and the use of this Carebeau scrub. So the question now is this scrub actually worth it? Is it worth buying? Does it lighten the skin? Does it exfoliate the skin very well? So that is why I am here, and I'll be telling you guys my honest experience with this particular Carebeau lightening scrub. I'll be telling you guys what I don't really like about this particular scrub and what I like about the scrub. But maybe I should tell you guys the good aspect first before jumping into the downside. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first thing I would like to talk about is the fragrance of the scrub. Like the fragrance of this particular scrub, it smells really nice. Okay, I love the fragrance very well. Even after using it to shower, like after scrubbing your body with this, the fragrance still kind of lingers around. I really love this particular carrot scrub because it contains alpha hydroxyl acid, vitamin E, vitamin C, which helps to get rid of dead skin cells. So this particular scrub, it exfoliates your skin very well, makes your body feel very refreshed, very smooth and soft after scrubbing or exfoliating your body. If you want to get the best experience with the scrub, just scrub your body in the shower. Wash your body first with your soap, rinse off your body, and then go in with the scrub. You're going to love the after effect of the scrub on your skin. It makes your body feel so refreshed. It leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. Like, you will love the after feel of the scrub on your skin. This scrub lathers on wet body. if you use it on a wet skin, it's going to foam. So if you have rough skin or tough skin, just use this particular Carebeau Spa Lightening salt on your skin. You're going to love the scrub. One downside about the scrub is a salt scrub, and salt exfoliants are very harsh on the skin. Like, it gives you micro tears on the skin, especially if you have a sensitive skin. Do not use the scrub. Do a patch test before using it on your body. Do not use a salt scrub on your face. If you have a sensitive skin, I have another scrub that you can use. You can go check out my previous video. With this scrub, you have to like have a face scrub different and use this as your body scrub. So aside the fact that the scrub have harsh exfoliants, it really exfoliates your body very well, and it gives a radiant skin, like it claims. It glows your body. Okay, with this scrub, you're going to glow your skin, lighten your skin. Do not use every day. Not exfoliate your skin every day. If you have a dry skin, exfoliate twice a week. If you have an oily skin or a tough or rough skin, please exfoliate your body like 3 times in a week. So one thing I would advise you to do is, after exfoliating your body with this, always go in with your moisturizer. Always moisturize your body after using this particular scrub, because this particular scrub have the tendency to strip your body. So after scrubbing with this, you should go in with a good moisturizer to lock in moisture back into your skin. Besides that, this is a really nice scrub. It lightens your skin, it glows your body, it gets rid of dead skin cells. With the alpha hydroxy acid, like, it makes your skin feel very soft. For this particular scrub, I got it at the price of 1,500 naira. So we have basically come to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here.